Wow, this is so pretty and excited beauty box from Lancome. Yes, this is its Lancome Holiday Beauty Box. $79 with any Lancome purchase. We have with you here 9 full-size products and 1 traveling small-size products. I will show you, I will swatch this beautiful eyeshadow. And again, this is such a beautiful, rich, expensive, and it is expensive beauty box. If you're gonna pay separate for all these items, it's gonna cost you $650. This beauty box will be available October 7. Save this video, save the day, follow me on Instagram because I have way more to show you what is coming for Lancome for holidays. Nice beautiful lip colors, special skincare set. I'm just so excited. It is very beautiful box. Personally, I will not even wrap. I will just put this under the Christmas tree and will look spectacular. It will look like, oh my god, this is beautiful holiday box. It's belong under the Christmas tree. And I know my friends, my mom, everyone will love this beautiful box, beauty box for a gift. Let me show you close everything what inside. I open box and I want you to see what inside. Inside we have a beautiful big rose gold jewelry box. Last year we have a gold color. This year we have a rose gold color. Ha ha! Ta-ta! Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes or no, 9 full-size products, and we have a small traveling size of your moisturizer. But let's start with cleanser. I love this cleanser. If you just wanna buy this cleanser, it's $38. This is your cream radiant clarifying cleanser. This is cleanser. It's pretty, have nice luxurious feeling. I like this. It's a gentle cream to foam cleanser with antioxidant white lotus and have a rose petal there. It is deep, also deep cleaner cleanser, will gently remove your makeup, even waterproof. But this is cleanser I will recommend for normal to oily skin. If you dry, I will say we have another one, it's named Mousse. I prefer for drier skin, but this I will say for all type of skin. Eye makeup remover. It's #1 I feel selling right now product from Lancome. It's your eye makeup remover, not just for regular mascara. Also this cleanser will remove your waterproof mascara. Before we start using this spectacular eyeshadow palette, I actually gonna show you one more time how to use skincare from Lancome. It's your Lancome Genifique serum. You will use this serum morning and night on the entire your face and of course your neck and décolleté. It's light, it's like it's a gel liquidy, very hydrating serum. Then you will put on top your energy moisturizer, and this one, because it's not says this it's nighttime. Yes, I know we have a separate nighttime moisturizer, but personally I don't care if it's moisturizer don't have SPF. I can use this moisturizer day and night on top of my serum. Oh my god. Ah, it smells so good. Oh my god, it smells amazing. And after serum and moisturizer, of course, I love to use this eye cream Genifique from Lancome. It's a very nice hydrating eye cream, and again it feels like it's a gel cream. Sometimes when I wake up in the morning my eyelid feels so dry, I will put under my eyes and I will apply on my eyelid very little. And now I think this is most important, most exciting part of the video. It's eyeshadow palette from Lancome. Look at these big eyeshadows. Yeah, it's not just small and tiny. They are huge. I swatch for you all 12 eyeshadow palette. They are so beautiful. We have a light colors, we have a darker colors, and we have middle colors with you. This palette have only 4 matte colors. This matte, this one, and it's a pretty light taupey color. Also, I like next to this color, gorgeous shimmery taupe, gold, rosy, I will say rosy brown, sparkly orangey red, beautiful brown color. It's a soft brown black color, chocolate brown color matte. Then we have a pretty, I will say, blushy orange color. It's hard to describe this color. It's matte, shimmery pink, shimmery shimmery cream color, and this one, it's a shimmery white color. All these colors so beautiful. I have a big blending brush and I'm gonna use Tender Heel eyeshadow. It's your matte color. First color I apply right here in the corner of my eye, and now I pushing this color up. This is my socket area. I pushing again this color up. It looks very soft, it looks very natural, and now all what I do just like swipe or blend. First color, it's matte, and I really like this color and how it sits on my eyelid. It's so pretty. Second color in this palette, I'm gonna use Dream Seeker, and this one, it's very unusual color. It's like a taupey with little bit pinky undertone. Again, it's hard to describe. You just need to come to see me in Nordstrom Tampa and check it out, this beautiful palette. And of course, I can teach you how to use this palette one-on-one. Okay, let's put this color on my crease. Also, let's put right here on the corner of my eye. And we're gonna stop on the middle because we're gonna use lighter color right here on the corner. Wow, this is so pretty color just by itself. You can just apply this on entire your eye low lid and it will look spectacular. Now I have another flat brush and we're gonna use this pink glam color. I'm telling you right now, guys, this is quality. Unbelievable. I actually like this eyeshadow palette more than regular eyeshadow palette from Lancome. They feel very creamy, very buttery, nothing falling. They should start separate selling this quality eyeshadow palettes, like create different, like we need 3 like this, but different colors. But quality, it's amazing. Again, it's made in Italy. Oh my god, how pretty is this. Oh, oh, I can see sparkles here, I can see a shimmer here, I can see glow here. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I'm gonna add little bit more right here in the corner. Again, this is unbelievable quality. It's not your regular eyeshadow from Lancome. This is even better. Now I have a small blending brush and I'm gonna use this color, and I believe it's a soft nude. It's the lightest color in this palette. And I like to apply this color close to my brow bone, not all the way, just kind of halfway. I need extra lift. Now we need to make little bit contrast. I need to choose a dark eyeshadow, and I can use any of this darker color, but you know what, I really like this top color right here. It is shimmer, but it's not too shimmer. This I think will be perfect for me to put right here on the corner of my eye. And I'm blending. It's very important step. Blend all these eyeshadows. As much I love this color, but I feel it's not deep enough for me. I need a little bit more darker color for crease. I'm using color Night Sky. One more time, let's use this color Tender Heel. With a little bit softer and this darker eyeshadow. I want my eyes looks a little bit big. I'm gonna use this Night Sky eyeshadow and I'm gonna apply underneath. But I don't wanna put too dark color. I kind of removing a little bit color from my brush, and now I'm gonna use this color underneath. Wow, I love my little dramatic eye look today. Now I'm gonna use something this set do not have, but I will highly recommend. It's Lancome liquid eyeliner. It's waterproof, it's very easy to apply. All what you need to do, just press close to your lashes. I love this eyeliner. I love using liquid eyeliner from Lancome because they are so easy to use. I think I forgot to mention, I'm working for Nordstrom. I'm Nordstrom beauty stylist. If you want this beautiful holiday box wrapped in some beautiful Christmas paper, just DM me, message me on Instagram, Katya Beauty Style. I can send to you your purchase, your gift, and I will wrap for you. All what you need to do, go to Instagram, Katya Beauty Style, and message me. Oh, I love this liquid eyeliner. Remember, it's a purchase with purchase. It's a nice purchase. I feel this little beauty box missing liquid eyeliner. And now let's finish this eye look with Lancome lash primer and the Fenicel mascara. And I'll be honest with you, it's my favorite lash primer, because it's not just make your eyelashes look healthy, it's make a big huge difference. Your eyelashes will look bigger, fuller, I'll say dramatic. I just love this primer. It's my #1 must-have product for my lashes. And I'm finishing with mascara. This is good separating mascara. Nice link. Will this give me enough big volume like I like? No. If you want a big volume for your lashes, you need a Monster Big or Hypnose Drama. It's your just good natural separating mascara. I need to add little bit Monster Big. And now I'm happy. Let's do the lips. I'm gonna use Lancome lip liner Idole Nude, and then we're gonna use this beautiful lip color. Idole Nude, it's one of my favorite color from Lancome. It's very soft, it's go with peachy, it's go with pinky, it's go with beige. It's like universal lip liner. It's my #1 favorite lip liner from Lancome. And it's waterproof, it stays all day. I love this lip color. It's go perfect with my eyes. It's not too light, it's not too dark. Let me know in the comments below, do you like this eye makeup on me or not? Do you like this lip color? Please help me to grow my YouTube channel. I really need your support. Subscribe, comments below, give me thumbs up. Love you more than ice cream, and of course more videos it's coming, more exciting exclusive beauty items, beauty products I'm gonna show you on this YouTube channel. Again, one more time, love you more than ice cream.